Question number 9 is the following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Okay, so that means 35 cities is what? Fi. Sigma Fi is 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. So mean we should find here. So for that we'll find Xi first. Now you can observe here 45 to 55, 55 to 65. In each class size is same, isn't it? It's not varying class wise. So it is same only. So we can go with usual method. We'll find Xi. For that 55 minus 45 divide by 2, that is 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So 5 you should add in each of the lower class to get class mark. So 45 plus 5 is 50, 60, then 65 plus 5 is 70. So now 10 difference is there. So next will be 80 and then next will be 90. Okay, no need to calculate for each class. Now since Fi, Xi are very large values, isn't it? Xi is very large. After multiplication, now here 3 is there, 8 is there, but after multiplication this will give larger values. So we can use step derivation method here. So Xi minus A by H. For this we should first assume A. So what can be A here? So since 5 observations are there, so third value we can suppose as A. So A is 70, so Ui in front of this A will be 0. Okay, and above 0 minus 1 minus 2, below 0 1 and 2. Then last column will be Fi Ui. So in that you should multiply these two columns. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6. This will give minus 10. 11 into 0 is 0. 8 and 6. Okay. Now total. For this total is given to you, that is 35. You can add and verify also. No problem. And here we'll find sigma Fi Ui total. So see, 6 minus 6 will go. Minus 10 plus 8 means minus 2. Now we'll apply formula here. Sigma Fi is 35. Sigma Fi Ui is minus 2 and A is 70. And what about H? H is 10. Class size is 10. You can find difference of upper limit minus upper limit and lower limit. Okay. Now according to the formula, mean, that is X bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui divided by Fi into H, isn't it? So A will be, A is 70, sigma Fi Ui is minus 2, Fi is 35, H is 10. Okay, so it will give minus 20 by 35. So that will be, suppose we'll cancel this from 7. So 5 7s are, 5 4s are, then 4 won't go with 7. So what we will do? We'll add 0 and decimal. Then 7 5s are 35. 5 will remain here. So 7 7s are 49 we can write here. So 70 minus 0.57. That will give, we can subtract 70 0.57. Okay, so this will be 10, this will be 9, this will be 9, this will be 6. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9, 69.43 will be mean literacy rate.